I had no idea the nights would turn into a such strange experience. After paddling for an hour, I arrived near a residential backyard where I planned to camp. While trying to climb in, I touched poison ivy and got rust on my right arm. Early the next morning, I noticed a small house near my campsite. Also found a strange stuck and felt worried about what might be inside. It was my first time seeing a small creature crawling around in the trunk like that. Even with all that, I cooked the best steak I have ever made. Later, I woke up at 2 a.m. because I heard people nearby. I've packed all of my things for this trip: shelter, sleeping gear, food, water, and a few essentials. The plan is simple: paddle down the canal, explore the location, and make a decision once I get there. Hey. Hi, hello.
How many miles have you got to go?
It's not that far. After 30 minutes, I will go back. I think my positioning is not good. Yeah. This is the first time. The weather today couldn't be much better. Light wind, calm water, and plenty of daylight. One of the reasons I enjoy kayak adventure so much is that the journey itself becomes part of the experience. You move slower than you would in a car, and you notice details you'd otherwise miss. Over the years, I discovered some incredible places simply by exploring waterways like this. The canal is surprisingly busy today. Across the water, you can see runners, walkers, and cyclists constantly passing by. Meanwhile, over here, I have reached the potential spot for my camp. Hello. There's the people. Plano ko talaga matulog dito, mag-stealth camping dito sa backyard ng residential na to. But the problem is just like it's trespassing, right? Yeah, looks like it's trespassing. It's a forgotten backyard, by the way, and those spots are here. They're easy to see me here. So I'm here at the forgotten backyard. It's a long time ago that I was planning to stealth camping here, but it looks like restricted, man. And someone easily see me there. I think we go farther and find a good place to sleep tonight. I had planned to paddle farther and find a better place to camp away from the houses, but I decided to explore the area first, and that was when everything happened. There's a pool. When I tried to clear my way, I saw a cute cat watching me. It apparently belonged to the owner of the backyard, which made me feel a little nervous. There's a cat there. Hello? When I tried to climb into the backyard, it pricked my hand. Shit. Good. Climbing up there was not easy because it was quite high. My kayak was leaning to the left and there were many bushes with thorns and poison ivy. When I realized that poison ivy had touched my arm, I decided to leave the area and find a better place to camp. So here's the situation. It's definitely an interesting location. It's definitely overgrown, but there isn't enough information to know whether camping here would be appropriate or permitted. Whenever I'm exploring somewhere unfamiliar, I try to follow a simple rule. If ownership or access isn't clear, don't assume. The goal is to enjoy the adventure while respecting other people and the places we're visiting. So instead of setting up here, let's keep moving and see what else we can find.
Bale, isang oras ang nagpapaddle. Yeah, but di ba ko nakakita ng magandang spot for sleep tonight. Oh my goodness. Looks like someone sitting there. Hopefully, it's not. Oh.
While paddling, I saw what looked like a great spot in the distance to sleep that night.
Like a train, you'll hear me coming from 100 miles away. I don't ever remember running as fast as when I'm after you to stay. When I tell you that I promise, that's exactly what I mean.
So I think this is the best place to sleep tonight. I think this is the best spot to sleep tonight. Over there. For the meantime, I stay here. It's cool to rest here.
For me, and darling, you're proof.
After resting and observing the area for 10 minutes, I decided to take my kayak out of the water and place it somewhere safe where no one could see it. Before I went any further, I started looking around the area. The houses beyond the fence were beautiful, but I was not sure whether I was allowed to camp there since it was almost dark and I was running out of time. I decided to find a legal, safe place to sleep for the night. I found a good spot near the compost area, but I felt uneasy about a plastic tank filled with water. I was not sure what the object inside it was. I waited until there were no joggers around because I did not know if one of them might be the owner of the backyard. Once it was quiet, I brought my kayak along with my other things and placed them beside me.
So, andito ako ngayon sa backyard ng isang residential. I don't think so if this is prohibited or what. Because this is yan yung bako nila. And this is the easement of the canal. I don't think so if this is still restricted for this residential. Yeah. And my plan is I will sleep here tonight. I will stealth camping here tonight. Yeah. Then maybe I will put my tarp here, so that no one see me here if I will cook my food. Okay.
Shouldn't be thinking, but I can't help myself, you know. Been counting every day since you walked out that door. I just wanted to come home. Don't know how.
So, okay na yung tarp ko. Nilagay ko to para hindi nila ko makita yung mga naglalakad at nakijogging dito sa may kanal at saka pati mga boat para wala makita sa akin habang sineset up ko yung tent ko. Let's go! Set up natin yung tent. Okay. Sana hindi po dito yung may-ari ng bahay dito sa backyard. Yeah, because ito ay backyard ng residential. Residential dito sa sa over the bakod.
Like
Yeah.
when you were
I don't know
driving,
if this is restricted or not.
sunlight hit your face and you smile at me. Damn, what I'd give to be, yeah. Back in that car with sunset behind us. I shouldn't be talking, but I can't help myself, you know. Been counting every day since you walked out that door. I just want you to come home. Don't know how to let you go. So I'm drinking whiskey on my own.
So okay na yung tent ko. Na-set up na. Then it's time to cook my food. Tao pa rin naglalakad. I don't know how to cook my food here. I don't know if this drum here is a fire hazard. What's this, bro? It looks like a lit. They came here.
When I saw small snails on the edge of the drum, I decided to look inside. I saw an orange plastic object, but I didn't know what it was.
I'll check first if my light is visible outside.
Before cooking my food, I checked whether the light outside my camp was visible. I also took a quick look at the other side of the fence. Then I saw that even with my lights on, they were not visible from the canal. I returned to my camp and cooked my food.
It's time check. It's 10 o'clock now in the evening. Helicopter. Yeah. Ang baba ng helicopter. May trend pa. I think 12 o'clock yung last trip ng trend dito eh. I think so, you know. My food is ready now, but I forgot my plate, my fork, and my teaspoon. That's why I use my hand. So, So, natapos nang kumain, it's time to sleep. I'm full. Thanks, God. Time check, it's 11:30 now, and after a long journey paddling my kayak, I finally found the perfect spot for some stealth camping. I cooked my food, enjoyed a good meal, and now it's time to get some rest. So tired. So good night, everyone. See you tomorrow. Maybe I will wake up at 3 a.m. or 4 o'clock and go home. Yeah, because I think it's 4:45 is the sunrise now here in the UK. Yeah, good night.
I woke up at 1 a.m. because I heard people nearby. When I looked, I saw maintenance workers at the train line. After a few minutes, they left and I went back to sleep.
Good morning. It's almost 5 a.m. now, and the sun is starting to rise. It's time to pack up my things now because we don't know when the owners of this backyard might come. So, let's go.
I had no idea there was a small house on the other side of the fence. I was worried that someone might be staying there. The residential area around it was very nice. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. One positive lesson in life is that every difficult experience can teach us something valuable. Even when things do not go as planned, staying calm, learning from mistakes, and choosing a better direction can help us grow stronger and wiser.